Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss about a transpiration activity. So what is transpiration? The excess water will be released in the plant through the stomata. So that one is called transpiration. For that we need one polythene bag. And we selected one plant, and also under the sunlight we should do this activity because the water whatever is releasing from the leaf, that one is going to as a vapor into the environment by the sunlight only. So first of all we should select one branch and this polythene cover we should tie. See, we should tie the polythene cover like this and we have to wait 4 to 5 hours. So now I am removing the polythene cover from the leaf. We can observe small water droplets. See, small water droplets we can observe. So this one is the transpiration activity. The excess water is releasing from the leaves through the stomata.